Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it is time for another Hakka lesson on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 S 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And in other episodes, we talk about the first day, the second day. Today, we're going to talk about the third day all the way to the fifth. And I love these 3 days because, you're right in the middle of Chinese New Year, and there's a lot of things to do, and there's a lot of things that you can't do, now you could do. So it's really cool. And let's go ahead and teach some of these words right now. 年初三, the third day of Chinese New Year.
年初三.
年初三, okay? And in the Hakka language or culture, there's something called 送穷鬼, 是不是?
送穷鬼.
送穷鬼, 送穷鬼, which means send the poor ghost away because you want wealth to come, and now it's time to sweep the floors and dump the trash, take the garbage out, and that's a way to send the poor ghost away. 然后就可以开始倒垃圾.
倒垃圾.
That's take the trash out. 倒
垃圾.
倒垃圾. 这样子吗? Okay, sounds like 倒垃圾. 可以开始扫地. 扫地我们再讲一次.
扫地奶.
扫地奶. All right, you can sweep the floor. And then eventually we get to the fifth day of Chinese New Year, 也就是年初五.
年初五.
年初五. Okay, remember 5 is On that day, a lot of businesses start to operate, especially shops. 那天呢，很多店面就要开张了啊。我们就会说开张大吉, which means fortune to the grand opening.
開張大吉.
開張大吉. Okay, that's again on the fifth day of the Chinese New Year. A lot of shops, a lot of business establishments start to operate, and then there's going to be a lot of 放鞭炮 again.
鞭子炮.
鞭子炮, okay, 鞭是放, 自炮就是鞭炮, 鞭子炮. So there you go. That's Chinese New Year from day 3 to day 5. Let's review some of those terms. 年初三.
年初三.
That's the third day of Chinese New Year. 年初三. Send the poor ghost away.
送窮鬼.
送窮鬼. Take the trash out.
倒垃圾.
倒垃圾. Sweep the floor. 掃地.
掃地奶.
掃地奶. Remember. And then the fifth day, 年初五.
年初五.
年初五. And it's the grand opening.
開張大吉.
開張大吉. And there you have it. May you have a prosperous new year and, of course, a happy new year as well. My name is Joseph Lin, and that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
師母大家.
And to say 張來了.
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.